Hello friends, welcome to my channel Science for Agri course. Today we'll discuss about how to prepare for ICAR JRF exam Plant Science. In the major subject group of plant sciences, we have 5 sub-subjects: genetics and plant breeding, plant pathology, seed science and technology, microbiology and plant genetic resources. Now I'll suggest you out of my personal experience how to prepare and what to prepare in each subject. First, coming to plant breeding. Read the basic concepts in the book Plant Breeding Principles and Methods by B.D. Singh perfectly. Later on, Principles of Plant Breeding by Punnan Singh. In this book you should cover all the concepts. This is a compulsory book. Simultaneously solve Objective Genetics and Plant Breeding by Punnan Singh. Then solve model papers of Objective Plant Breeding by B.D. Singh and B.K. Prasad. If possible, try to solve the whole objective book. If not, at least be perfect in all the appendix of this objective book. It is compulsory. This helps you to gain some of the marks, like you can answer some of the questions very easily if you read the appendix, because it is in the tabular form. It is just like how you will prepare your notes. So the appendix is very useful to prepare. And if possible, read the plant breeding courses material of ANGRO or TNAU for easy understanding of the concepts as well as for revision. Later on in the genetics B.D. Singh, read basic concepts. Genetics Punnan Singh, read it compulsory full book. Then solve Objective Genetics and Plant Breeding by Punnan Singh. Here remember one point. Most of us will try to read the tough topics and expect the paper to be very tough. Obviously it will be tough, but be sure that you are perfect with the basic concepts. You don't get confused at the basic level. See, like what are the purines and pyrimidines? Immediately you have to answer it correctly. And how many bonds between A and T or A and U? See, how many bonds? Like 2 bonds. And G and C are connected by 3 hydrogen bonds. So these are the basic questions at the basic level. Like what is like this what you call eugenics, euphenics differences. So such questions are very important and you should be confident at the basic level and be perfect at the basic level. So next, in plant pathology. Read the book Plant Pathology by Uttal Kumar Bhattacharya. Read the subjective and objective questions in that book as well as solve the questions given in the last ending of that book. And then a textbook of fungi, bacteria and viruses by H.C. Dubey. Read this book perfectly and read about the diseases of major crops also perfectly. My suggestion is, along with this, you read the ANGRO notes or TNAU notes of plant pathology courses, especially the basic fundamentals of plant pathology, so that it will be useful for you to revise during the examination. Next, seed science and technology. The same. Read the ANGRO notes or TNAU notes of seed technology for the concept clear concept and in some easy way. Then read Principles of Seed Technology by P.K. Agarwal. Next, microbiology. Read this book, An Introduction to Microbiology by Taro and Kapoor and his co-workers. Read first and last 6 chapters of this book. Now, the common subject, general agriculture for all the subject groups. If time permits, read Handbook of Agriculture first 9 chapters and prepare your notes. If you don't have time, read Fundamentals of Agriculture Volume 1 and Volume 2 by Arun Karchayan. Then a competitive book of agriculture Nemraj Sunda and solve the Objective Agriculture by S.R. Kantwa. Even if you read the first 9 chapters of Handbook of Agriculture, you have to read the rest of the books. This is just an extra thing if you have the time. Thank you. Hope this video will be useful to you. If you like our video, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel Science for Agri course, as well as all the best for your competitive examination. If you find the video to be useful, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel Science for Agri course for more useful content. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook.